Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing tidy assets so animation is predictable. Open your Figma file and make a dedicated page for icons. This isolates changes. Next, import or paste cleaned SVGs and convert each icon into a single group per frame so auto layout won't break them. Name each layer or group in sequence, frame 1, frame 2, because later transitions rely on consistent names. Once done, you'll avoid confusing duplicate layers and make the next steps fast and repeatable. Now you convert frames into a component with variants so Figma can transition between them. Create a base component, then duplicate it for each animation frame and add them as variants. In the Variants panel, add a property such as state with values idle, frame 1, frame 2. This lets you target frames programmatically. Make sure each variant shares the same bounding box and pivot points. If shapes shift, you'll get weird motion. Once aligned, you've enabled smooth, smart animate interpolation between frames. Finish by wiring prototypes or exporting the animated icon. In prototype mode, link the initial variant to the target variant and choose on click or while hover, then pick Smart Animate and set duration/easing. For production, use a plugin Figmotion or Lottie exporters to export GIF or Lottie JSON depending on platform needs. If you see jitter or strange morphs, stop and confirm identical layer names, matching vector path counts, and consistent constraints. Fixing those clears most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.